everybody, long time no see. I finally have a new unboxing video for you guys. Took a break pretty much from YouTube other than just videos from concerts I've been to, but since I recently made a few purchases, I thought I'd like to share with you guys. So the first thing that I want to show you is a purchase that I got from Dior today. Really like the packaging. I've never actually bought anything from a Dior boutique before. I've bought online from other stores, like makeup products, like lipsticks, perfume, but no jewelry until today. Okay, so then this must be, I think, like a little, oh, okay, so then this is the receipt here. And then here is the box. Beautiful. I like the attention to detail that they put in. So let's unbox this together. So I was actually influenced to buy this from another YouTuber's channel. She was actually reviewing different sunglasses that she'd recently bought. But I saw her wearing these earrings in the video and I absolutely loved them. So I had to pick these things up. All right. Ooh, nice insignia. Oh, there's a card here. I wonder if this is care instructions. I see lots of other languages. Yep, this is the care instructions booklet. And then it has its own little mini dust bag. That is so cute. I love the attention to detail. And then, here we go. Oh, how do I open this? Okay. Oh, there's another lining in here. Okay. And here they are. These are the 30 Montang earrings in gold. I love these because I was looking for an everyday type of earring, and I think these will fit perfectly. I can't wait to actually wear these. All right. Over here. And then for my next unboxing, I think I'll actually save the Chanel for last. This is something that I ordered from a website called 24s.com, and it's essentially a company that owns LV as well as a lot of other luxury brands. From this website you can get some things that they discontinue or they don't even sell at the LV website or in boutiques here. So I actually purchased something from Versace on their website. So let me open this up for you guys. Let me just make sure no one sees. Never ordered anything from 24s before, so I really am curious to see what their box looks like. This is also my first Versace piece, so I'm excited. Alright, so here's the box, 24s.com. I think it's a magnetic type of box. I like that. Ooh. It says, "From Paris with love." 24s does have a physical location, from what I understand, in Paris. And then here's the Versace box. Let's see what I bought. The box does not want to cooperate. Okay. Kind of pry it open. All right. Okay, So it comes with a dust bag, which I like. So many things that I order from Saks do not come with a dust bag. So I'm glad that 24S is different. And then let's open her up and see what's inside. Ooh. So this is the Gresha Goddess mini bag, or wallet on chain. My primary reason for buying this was because of this chain. I just love the design. It's gorgeous. I really like Grecian inspired things, and so Versace is kind of right up my alley. I think I'm gonna have to start buying more things from Versace. I love the weight of this. Let's see. So let's try taking off this little cover here on the buckle so you can see that better. Okay. It's the same symbol that's on the chain. And then to open it up, it's a little button enclosure. And we'll take this out. So you can see that there are, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 card slots for both sides. And then there's a little space here where I could possibly put cash if I want to. It says Versace, made in Italy right here. And then there's a little pouch here that I could place like a lipstick or something like that. I'm pretty sure that my phone would fit in as well, which is really all I need on a day-by-day basis. I brought this primarily just because I didn't own any white bags in my collection, and I wanted a bag that I could take to nice events, like if I go to a wedding or out to dinner with my husband, something like that. And I think this will perfectly fit the bill. All right, let's see how she looks. Let's see how she looks once I put the chain on. Hopefully this is easy to hook. Oh, that was pretty easy. Okay. Not going on so easily because I am not left-handed. I wish this came out a little bit further so that it's easier to put this chain on. Worst case scenario, I might just imagine it at this point. But this is chain all together. And if I were to put it on my shoulder like this. Okay, nice drop. Tucks pretty nicely right under my arm there. I like this. All right. I wanted to buy this in black as well, but I think I might actually get one of their similar styled bags, but it's a little bit bigger. It's a shoulder bag as well. It has a similar chain to this, but there's a leather component at the top, and I would want to get this in black. I think that would probably work more universally with just about everything I have in my closet. So let's put her away for right now. And open up my last recent purchase from Chanel. So I actually bought 2 things at Chanel today. I love their packaging. All right. Let's go with the smaller box first. So here you see the Camilla. It's such a beautiful package. All right, let's see if I can actually just slide this off without ruining that part. Can I slide you off? No. Okay. Alright, see if that loosens it up a bit. There we go. Okay, so we have a card here. I believe these are the care instructions for Chanel. And then comes in its own beautiful little dust bag. And this is a lambskin card holder. It's from their classic line. And I just love the blue. I originally went into the store hoping to get a black card holder, and then I saw this color and couldn't help myself. I love how soft this is. On the inside, it is also made in Italy. And you see the little Chanel there. And then this, I think, is just a QR code of some sort. I can't wait to start using this though. It's so nice and plush. I've never been a fan of caviar at Chanel. Lambskin is my love. I know that it might be a little bit more prone to damage, but sometimes I think it might be worth it just for the feel of it. All right, so let's put her away. And let's go into my last purchase from Chanel. So then this box here, similar outside, the Camilla. Okay, I'm gonna open you. See if we can slide this off too. Yep, pretty easily. And, oh, I almost forgot to mention, one of the interesting things about my purchases today, both items that I purchased from Chanel were the very last ones that they had in the store. So I don't know, that was an obvious sign that I think these were meant for me. All right. So, ooh, I love this case. It's got the interlocking CC there. And ta-da, my very first pair of Chanel sunglasses. Do you see the nice Chanel on the side? Once I tried these on, I was actually really impressed with how they looked. I think these are absolutely gorgeous. See? I can't wait to wear these for the rest of summer and all next summer. And these are actually my first pair of designer sunglasses in general. So I think I made a pretty good choice. All right, well, that's it for today. I will be uploading future videos on other unboxings once I purchase a few more things. All right, see you guys later. Bye.